These lug nuts will not work. They don't hold the hubcap on. You need lug nuts with washers. I'll put the links in the description. These are the old lug nuts, and these are the new ones I got with the washer, so that way the hubcap stays on. To get the center cap out, I just took my lug nut wrench and just poked it through. Comes right out. One, two, three, 4. So what do you guys think? I definitely want to paint the steel wheels black now. Always want to store your tools at the lowest setting. Okay, in the box it goes. So, the hubcap is officially on. I'm gonna do the others when I get the rest of the lug nuts in from Amazon. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I do plan on painting the truck red, so movie magic, let's see that. That is why I decided to paint the H red. So yeah, leave a comment below, let me know what you guys thought. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.